Hiring a car in the Algarve is a must, especially if you want the freedom to explore the towns of the southern coast, which can be quite nice. However, sometimes you will find there can be a learning curve. Remember to stay on the right. And having a car can sometimes get you access to some great spots where you can get some really good photos, such as this last photo where it was on a hill and there was no way to get here other than by car.
I see paradise.
Yeah, so you've gone to the Algarve to see the Bengal cave, and like us, you've taken the boat tour. However, unlike us, make sure you're aware that the boat can't actually go inside the Bengal cave. So when you're looking for a view like this, what you're actually going to get is probably a view like this. And the only way to actually get inside the actual cave is either by kayak or by swimming from the nearby beach. Our guide did tell us that it can be quite dangerous to take a kayak or to swim to the Bengal cave, and if it goes wrong you could end up in quite a dangerous situation, especially if the tide turns high. Hence why we think it's probably not worth it. So we were actually expecting it to be quite cold and rainy, but the forecast has improved, so it's sunny, a little bit chilly, but it's still quite pleasant. So as I mentioned there, yes, you can get some great weather and some great shots such as this. However, you can also save on money, like getting access to some great hotels at low prices. The full costs are in our itinerary video, which is linked at the end of this video. And before you ask, yes, it's not completely dead. There are people in the city centres, in the town centres, and you will see tourists around, so it can be quite lively as well. So there you have it. There's our top 3 things you need to know before you visit the Algarve, in 3 minutes. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.